Anthony Trash Bin Cleaner is direct. Here is Fantastic. Going out to East Michigan. This one is our titanium trash bin cleaning trailer. You can see that there's some unique part of this. We actually have a full winterizing kit on this, which means front doors, roof, rear panel. This can work all winter long. So now stopping a lot of city contracts are gotten or lost because of the ability to work throughout the winter. So this, they're going to be able to take care of this all winter long, so they can actually run the equipment, keep it warm. This system is fully loaded. This has the custom design logo wrap. We have the full soft wash chemical system, 200-foot hose for high pressure washing, inlet hose reel. Like I said, the chemical hose reel with 200 foot on here. Camden trailer. You're not going to find super heavy duty 14,000 pound rated trailers in the industry right now. We're the only ones producing them. 8,000 pound rated hose reel, 10,000 pound rated stainless steel ball valves, 3,000 pound max pressure stainless steel cleaning heads, 18-stage wastewater recycling and filtration system. Additional hose reel was 50 foot of hose for chemical hose reels for the sanitizer. So this has a sanitizing tank with a chemical sanitizing system. We give you 300 gallons worth of chemical sanitizer with purchase. We got heavier duty dual bin lifter assembly, spare tire. This is a all steel frame, and all the doors and panels on these trailers, they're 1/8-inch steel. Extreme heavy duty doors and panels. Extreme heavy duty power washer. Take a look at this. We have full wastewater filtration system that can vacuum up wastewater up to 100 feet away from the trailer. We can also recycle and reuse the water. Yes, recycle and reuse the water. Go all day long without having the need to fill up the tank or dump our wastewater. Here's the backside of the electric handy hose reel, top rated. We actually are putting a roof on this on the front top here. We just had an opportunity to get this wrapped in a day, so we want to take advantage and get this to our sign shop and division. We have double doors on the front here. Trash bin cleaner direct. Look at this thing, 3,500 9-gallon hot water power washer. TrashBinCleanerDirect.com, 877-699-0755.